And now man for we say Penyah na Twene Jonas my yantin nka budget was say because Mahama Ayariga 292 million Ghana cedis to discount 2.93 and they got top part amount nkora no. Or say Zipline yentwam. Twene say we say Twene Jonas abekasa. Twene abekasa. Ochire mu a nyansendu. The man tribu no achire wa adwen amame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Broke Media. Mess one say any day mo. Obe like video no that my subscribe button snap click notification icon for latest updates na ba chire wa adwen amame e wo comment section. Mess oba so. No shake for enya bi ashe. And you know, Oko Parliament, there's a conversation going on over there. It hangs around the issue of Zipline. Zipline, the drone delivery service. I course Ghana Hanamano. Majority say Mahama Ayariga. I see yen through on in a way say Ghana you spend over 170 million Ghana cedis every year or not.
Zipline. As for Zipline, even in my debate yesterday, I indicated clearly that I am against the Zipline contract. I am against the Zipline contract. You cannot spend 170 million Ghana cedis that you are sending blood to health facilities using drones. The Ministry of Health should have bought their own drones by now. You can't continue spending that kind of money that you are paying a service provider. It's a total waste of money. The Ministry of Health should have bought their own drones. After all these years, the Zipline contract, I recall, was signed somewhere in 2021. Can you imagine every year if we are spending 170 million Ghana cedis? 170 million Ghana cedis, so that they will go and drop blood in some village and then come back. Meanwhile, there's road network leading to almost every town, every community in this country. There are only few locations that you will say the roads are not accessible. That money could have tied the roads to all those locations that we are concerned about. And Ghana Health Service could have bought their own drones and done their own deliveries anytime they need to do a delivery. How much is a drone? How much is it? Some drones are as cheap as $4,000, $5,000. The most expensive drones don't even go beyond $10,000, $20,000. By now, we would have had drones for every district in this country, managed by Ghana Health Service. Let's go and do a total calculation of how much money we have wasted on this Zipline contract. I call for a cancellation of the contract. The contract should be cancelled.
When was what you mean? There
are many other conversations that course our house honor. And no over system no more. And never will be enkoyi. Did you watch this catch say one watch this car? Ana de no party did trip never can say be a fine but never enkoyi sir. Teachers for low key omu tiniswo omu swankasa. Nurses tiniswo omu swankasa. Then you just again the niska. It ain't me employ omu my school TV anything for me na adwuma. Zipline so see ntwam. But oko he budget no so a. Pad I de man koda. 225 fee, you spend 300 million Ghana cedis and a top pad. You supply quantity of 6.6 million. Next, you divide that to pad could be 45 Ghana cedis. Pad cross you 26 and your top 45 Ghana cedis. I know the young who nyans say young first can be factory no Ghana had him produce Ghana had mo. Yakoto. I'm at 226 no. You say tam another 292 million Ghana cedis as they got top pad. You say tam because as they call top pad. Yenze hunya as I said the fancy factory no Ghana because this initiative Emma you na man bo mo part dada enya fe na o mebo part no mo dada o mu ko school bo mo part dada it yan forgetting first can nya de fofra de nya nsa wo mebo bo man no ye nya we no but ye hu de e koso marry mo ye hu ha won penifo no so mu bi o mani o mu si hu o man Ghana me ni ha o mu si hu o man Ghana no ene ne obeso me de man Ghana me ni na eno ana Twene Jonas ni go kwa pai. But reacting to this budget.
To construction site, Ghana, they said, John Mahama be secret, where Jimmy Chen will join. Oh, a bamfa so be a mouse 1 year, ni untimin to a teacher foka, untimin to a police, untimin to be a car. Where, sir, police in order to an Bamanco for Bocrono. Oh, teacher for Nama Muslis, Scadi Cody, Nina Nansa be now discanning high private jet. Oh, now discanning commerce Sudan for Adia China, discanning and Palestine. Now may chase come on. Now, yes, I will be in him so I Buana Ghana for ne bread. nurse fo nyina ntuom ka we yes we ya boa kraman kra won fa so chen on west fasika bi 24-hour economy osimi da bi mi be schedule ntimi ni akoto ply pad de be hyenku fo matwem na pad no nso a 15 cedis per pack no now the G80 cedis and the crown sisi ano or mon de Nkwaseafuo betra say $250 million the akoto pad aten must say sika to sami jamfi Nkwaseafuo mpanyini 8 years Akufo-Addo was no nam from ofro and now that $500,000 scarce but some George Munyina did $1 million scarce my ye kakra no so I wo na mumfa mi adwuma na mabunu nya musima jimi sise sika koma koto pad na be hyenku fo matwem na no an se mai ko wie park so ai soldier recruitment wan se be ma ba kokura nwu ni nyina rituals sika duro nya sa ade ntina BBS na manko ani o why because all the pad that show mutwem from JSS no ma wie school no ma start o sacrifice hunu na ode nkura na ye nyasa anka o de wo ye na ye unfair treatment fato books na fa koma omo no mu fansua de obi ani ode ne bako school because of ne ba 20 there be ode ne bako school se ne banko sua de ntima mpanyini wani nyonye baifo na anye wudini na apenkufo ma ku omo de omaje onuru a aye Nkwasea rituals a edi ntina pad na de kwahihye omo twem na mema no so de na de be momo batu koche books man kra na obia kwasi anya bi ya anya bi adwo anya bi kwakunso anya bi no mo sua de very first treatment obi batwe ho asem ye ne ma responsibility na me hu se campaign time obi abetan se me matwe muti nsuo me matwe muti moja o me batwe ni mu nsuo susogu classroom o da bi ebi nsi da me wo school na me manko na atwa me ho ahia bi ko na me fanboys that na me mago kra ti se na manyina me ho tan na me fine boy nti man na feel me ma hu se ba kra atwe mati nsuo agu class order nti abansi amampanyini dwene ade a very very important to your teacher for car is much more important than say this can be supply pad abeshim ko for matwem no mo kotena school ma the whole day teacher ni ma e me kire o ma de ombe wi school no ma bombon wakata twena ni o fine but obi a nkire na de o school mo nti o koye no wankosua hwe ohun na me kire no nti nyansen wo sa Nkwaseafuo ma wo ye mu awe meanwhile obi anu a gina ba bi e campaign say 20 ne ebeto nto aba mame yes ye to aba ni apemampanyini no abeye den abebie nwuma wo hu ne meche no abeye o man ye until use the money to pay the teachers aden wajimi how eti John Mahama say me pa mo bi kokuna na mete se obi dini jimi abekasa sada no nipa kro no so be ho de me cancel me de ombe ko opposition ti me de omko no ombe se ombe wi aba no ombe meku om nyina sami jamfi kura small boy me de be kwasa man obi ntime nkasa ko majimi no Akufo-Addo majimi ya na munwan monso ma bam kura de majimi chan Akufo-Addo because Akufo-Addo no ode mo omkwa na Akufo kura na no de omuhyem no be 6 months pe no asan omusika na ba ba wo de 1 year ni nyina throughout wo diskani nyina fly private jet na de aka to Nkwaseafuo pad be hyenku fo matwem e de omoye rituals wajimi Semiyamans our Nigerians are killing their own people and I make a check your mama no send Nkwaseafuo as a stupid mampanyini ayewo alla tenya betena Ghana friend ho Igbo ken wentimi anchina ni poto no wentimi amema single warning po say alla tenya boy krum hana waba no mi wo immigration service wa wan kan wan ntuma memi e deport akukrum da bi mampanyini na jimi na alla teni TV so me I have control over the authorities enya me na alla teni Igbo ken ni suro mi anko akum nipa bebrebe o so mukun ai Samuel yaboa amsan kunkum obi won storm wie na mbema wo ni se mebopa mi ni ba bi ote mebopa ma obi akuku no ho na no friend alatafo no mo wo ni se ma obi anko obi abio so surom nya sanka me obi aku no simple flat obi antime nkasa o Ghana ka me aku na giafo o Ghana nyina ko se Nkwaseafuo se o leader waso ese obebo man no ho ban alla tani aboa wa hwiri wa ewura Ghana chene deport no ko di krom untime nchene nso north Ghana o trete Ghana fo no abetena TikTok o na wa bebo mi di bia amema ya be chewo nam se ha Nkwaseafuo we manye ne so wada na me ye ne so wad 1 week eno anu ankasa bio ono abetena TikTok o ehunu na Ghana wa bodam hundog o no umfiri wala tamamu metna Ghana hunu Ghana fo muka se mu ya wudi fo mu krom am betimi ne se wudi se na ba ye man mu da bi ye krom ne ye peaceful ye ne nkramofo eye one mementie me na bema o ware kramoni ba ko ware asori koni ba ko what I say na me na ba ko so no osombosom anti memi fi kramoni wa ha sala minuano no Kadija minuano no Ashetu mamuna minuano no Fati minuano no ti dia me chiro no mi sister Fati me kotrani nchen kra ena oba ha mi sister Kusu nso minuano no what I say Haruna nso ye minua and we are mixed together ye nkramofo ni a Christopher ye didibom ye bibia bom ye tifie bom ye family enti mugu mala tamamu on ma jimi na nkramofo ku a Christopher na Christopher ku nkramofo a enye yasem ma mo fa jimi ni mewura ye manum ye de ye peaceful ye MPP ni NDC a me NDC me mentam na MPP mentam me ne nyina asem pese me ye omo so wa no mo ye oman ni ye because oman na se ya ye ni ba bi akọ won ne me chere NCC a mo ye Nkwaseafuo judgment ubi se obi abrantie onka bi hiem obi o form 1 wa start university na sai chika kuku ni papa na fe so dani school drop out not fie because ni papa na obehwe ni school no sai chik kwase bia kuku no na fe no ya o master ti kunkum papa for because papa bia petwe me nkwa na ase me mpem maase because me ehunu bi penti me ehunu de e maase ma ye nkofo boys be bia meto mo okro mu ase e maase mtiom go prison ti said ye arukali ni pop daddy mu nyina omunni bo ni bia o e ma na atwantura go mu so broche no e ma no court ni defend yo mo enti ti say I first akusia say we betima si Ghana government si ya for Nkwaseafuo judgment e wo Germany ama Ghana government German government we ba hold no responsible say obi a meme de hye because Germany na omuware na Lumba German citizen akusia say why German citizen enti omuni dual citizenship enti we no ometimi abe santi na ya na owa na America akọ bombu krubi wa Middle East amunti ase sa noma we ya ntia o noma we ya anti because Lumba citizen no awu no mu jimi Ghana no akusia say wa pa obetimi ni akọ German embassy na Germany fo no ene Ghana fo anya ntokwa what I say so ma kidnap ni kuno no makuno na o ma yeden omo kipu body no no mu claim se obi ayere ho enti abasa ja senka America na ni Ghana fo anya the America fine case no ma yeden o ma send fine case o ma send one ya madwo mama enti one ne badwo mama respond ya na afi o ma ba be o ma be ja bomba gukro no what I say sana ya mo ya no ma be start atwe o ye na any you good in the com chrome because ye Jimmy obi on twin kipu country bim citizen e wo chrome na won kire wonyimi wo ho enti we na ise kusia se wan ye ntia o sa no mo we na ma America fokuku other countries amonti ase da bia na monti ase no because Israel ni na Palestine na kuno no o ya American citizen enti America ne choice is almost strike you jabom gu omo so and even though say o free Israel you no Israel ba ben naturalize wa be citizen wa America ana say bia ne ma amene papa be wo no America no aba Israel na mwato mu nkwasi abom na ba kwaku no nti e say America be kumu nyina sa na na tie Stephen Yamen say I have video of Nigerians ke omuku omu ahu. It's very sad. Jonas, after Nigerians they are coming to Ghana and John Mahama should be careful. And I make an talk omuku Nigeria for ni ku omu hono. Sabri na say John Mahama no nka onimiyansa o strength border no but we jiminti afekura no san Nkwaseafuo be gina Nigerians are our brothers, they should come more. One we jimi na me say so omu ba no be kunkum Ghana anya hwe me ku atu Mahama na me ama be mampani alatani bi ku bia be ku ni bi simple. Me ba be ku atu Mahama no because we are boa me hu bi da me hu nipa wa jimi say da nkufo ni dangerous omu ye me alatafo kroma America fo nyina bande omu na oni okuje to abra kwa jimi fo na musisa Ghana passport mo no mu di wiewia cars no mu di say Ghana fo di ena ya me no kese Afghanistan say we Afghanistan ni America untimi nya green card bio because Afghanistan ni bia kokum ni pa baako enti fane say Afghanistan for no nyom nyina na yawudi fo baako pa di bone no omo amo wo green card wa America omo ya Afghanistan for nyina Trump a cancel green card no to ya Afghanistan ni na if for eyes for show mu amdo ko ukrom even though say won ka ho nya utu baabi wonye criminal nya hwe ubekom kura na nipa no ode or different national no akwaji Afghanistan passport ekura enti waku obi na ya investigation ya akwache no passport station botom ya Afghanistan no nko ade or Afghanistan enti I say Afghanistan ni bio America bia ye pam no enti si amo deport to Afghanistan ni bia America sana tio nti ala tafo na mo de passport mom na dangerous o me criminals mo say Ghana ni bitini baabi na wakonya asem because of ala tani jimefo bia maton passport amane bia 5 million 10 million no di bone na mo di wiase kwan mo di wiase kwan and Trump the watch or say go and wash your face wasa man me she me man she meet me akọ huruma nim tambia tie no kre ne judge me more life insurance bia so because impanimfo na Jimmy on the omoye judgment omoye si ya ne ma ada America kukunkum other countries na ya monti ase no we ya ti say Lumba say yes citizen of Germany na ya koza se waye nyeso ya oba papa obetim di sun akọ no akosun omakokuni kunu Ghana what ya say na Ghana government so aye den ampanyampa so Ghana government e court Ghana government e defend ai abaya na okun ni kuno ne se on na yeyere enti saa no bi wan se bombo su Ghana ma munti ase na America fo de country bia no de mo akogim na wan country bi ti om ba bi no makokum ni pa saa anti no mkoku om eno a what ase eti saa de we no Jimmy na mgu koto wa mu Jimmy obi nya yere mo sikhinchina mo ye ne yere ena ade ba ko side dangerous ne se country bia wo wiase bia nipa bi obeware bia wo ntimi nware bi wo nti se wa divorce enti Daddy Lumba no won divorce ye last 8 months ago ana odobro ni munya nkuku no ofie no obeka se ne yere awati sika aware no ye ba akopɔ no ne akosi asewa ono agina platform so ka enti di enti na mtekoto wo Jimmy on ti sa no bi se bombo sun Ghana na eye hwan fort eye ya Jimmy yempa aban na Jimmy ti aban na Jimmy si ya na ma bombo su no won na meche no enti na sun other countries no enti bibini ya boanya bibia na bribe debi sometimes kanokre odi Lumba abusuyanfo abegina ho abusuya panyin ni nim Lumba dawo ono anim Lumba wo ono wase otene baabi na Lumba edini akusia se wa be chianse akusia se wa ne yire bato dobroni ne di onim no enu ntina da owu ye no wose akusia se wa na ye Lumba yire on di onim odobroni but bribe wa wajinti say lawyer for ne e kan sem shana no won nti bribe no ehu adwuma na oye na judge no so waje bribe nti say o pretend say odobroni na ye yire meanwhile Daddy Lumba busiani bia ni modobroni no Daddy Lumba ofa nom Daddy Lumba maame nom Daddy Lumba ni na busiani bia ni modobroni akosa se wankwa no munim no including da Lumba ye nyina video da nam social media akosa se wa ani Lumba ina ekobasa oni papashi omiansa enti papashi no eno kura no odobroni onu onim no osi okọ tema Lumba ti asekro okọ Lumba wa no papashi ni Lumba shia Lumba se na ma fie mariam osime babia no dobroni apame osi uni ho ti odobroni no no o ama plane da mo pe Lumba ku no ti no mo mpese Lumba ho ni pa bia beba ho sebe ya mu ku na e so easy enti odobroni no na da bia papashi babe hosu gate na obia omie no so enti ono no de no try so be so ko Lumba o tambia ba okwa na odobroni apam no Lumba shawo pa si o Lumba ni o ko show baby so enunti judgment we no mesrem America de omunye pa bonefo omunim si e wugo de obibi ombe ba be kuya enti say different country dia menimu ni asem ba America ni bi ani obi nya asem no ye citizen of America mamu ntena onfa NDC fo akronfo judges no emo munye bribe nya judgment nya sam tiwa na bombo sunda kro Ghana wo oma be kujo mama omkunu wi a na ruli Ghana ya akohwe ai China ne Vietnam ntokwa a ntimi stop nyina ai sa no ma wi a Oma kuku Vietnam mpanyin na omo na age Vietnam na free China nsem na omo control Vietnam no and China kasa okoje ne Vietnam na America fo na ma Vietnam fo ni tuo no ma ku China fo no and up to now China ntimi nye Vietnam to kwat no America na control sa Ukraine puti ntimi anyi America fo na akoma Ukraine fo tuo nya sanka Putin the 30 minutes per baji kuro no America nti tuo no de ma no ono ni bi ono ni tuo ba ko peri timi ku o soldier for be 20 and you see the Russia ne ye say odi agura ni soldier for be sa nti oda African country say ne emwa Togo Ghana Nigeria no asisa mu de maba o ye be mamo Russia passport munyi tuo na munko front na mukwa ne akumu because in tuo na America no wono on fa ma wo third world countries no or the bema country a oye ntime manze Ghana ni Togo yenya problema na America beta Togo achi a ombeba bi kunye nyina because ntu na omde bema no Ghana ni bi ntime defend because omo no normal bebiri o wiase a omunya release et say iPhone omadi kan ye asi 35 enti e da ho na omo release basa enti broni before so release phone odi kan ye 10 years ago enti iPhone we enti omo release no next year na omo release 18 na enya say 18 next year ya na omo koye yo da bi omo ya to da so what I say da bia mi so omo test iPhone 19 iPhone 20 iPhone 25 ewo Apple me ko ha California why didn't no omo release because omo prepare to obroni ono adaje ti movie kura no omo ya omo de be 10 years na betwa movie no nti e bana wo hwa obeka se movie ni a real life situation enzo omato ombo ase na oma ya ade no sa na omte nti omo wontuo bebregu a wo ye dem mfa mada so enti santina me pese it doesn't matter say nipa no oye NDC and oye CPP oye hwan oni madwuma mumfa mumane nwa adwuma no na mumfa NDC ni mata no no nya experience more won cause NDC mo ban na time chain MPP for ne de ne bam mo fairly drastically matimi aba wan ya manyika akwan wansi school dan yesika no matwende ya ma Palestine for na mo twende aka e de ma Sudan for na mo twede aka sisi a John Mahama Nkwaseafuo isi wo de aka e be ko Jamaica aden wagimi eno na NDC for from bufuafu na o mo se na na Nkwaseafuo fan start 24-hour economy and am say o de ma fire nti wa nkofo no mdi wachi no ma na be kansem ne kire mi o da bibia mo na be da wo kofa Kevin Taylor abo ya ma betina Ghana ama makutu abra ba ma judge for say omunya no ne na moyi o mbe ka kire 3 months ansana Kevin Taylor abo e wo de private jet ko fa na ba enya wonu wagimi a Kevin Taylor de adwuma no wo ye ma oman ade woti wo di atam ne na ye wo fa nti watam ye private jet watam taxpayers money high private jet de Nkwaseafuo ya ben nam Ghana o won na wasan bi TV ama Nkwaseafuo na na sidam na o to aduane mani di abra America mbeto no o ja jimi no Nkwaseafuo ko pa adwuma ya ko be dan skani on America wana biya jiska na John Mahama jimi ntino oja Nkwaseafuo no sidam na no pa biya no twa ntro saa na wo di taxpayers money na etua Nkwaseafuo ka hu se wo ya aboa mbeko fie mbelusu ma jimi ayi se nwan no na ma betina so muntimi ntia teacher for ka munti ntia nurse for ka na odiska na ma for na aboa na for na no won na ebeto abamu ana se teacher ni na ekoto abama John Mahama wajimi nurse ni wakodaada ni se onto abama na Akufo adonye oba wodi obetua moka waba no nkatua nurse for ne kakwase am first kan nko Jamaica for mo nkodi na Jamaica no ho to no kra chen wa boa mimi die mimi sei me chenkofo sika ba me no menye sika na gusu a me hu die mfa binya no na me chenkofo meme nkoche obi ye bi a $1 million ma beda fia na the whole day mi di na me nkra eni di mi aboa magimi me John Mahama na John Mahama nkwa na Nkwaseafuo me nkra omunuane ayema omunuane guo omunuane ayema omudidi me so me onuane gu ase ti abusu no na me yibi akomo obi masa me onuane special food onuane special you kura de ga ai African kwan me se metimi abie so a African kwan na ya me boma de ore enya hwe I could me be so I know be a poison me for camera no. And so I'm work do a special I'm trying manage. In am very empty but anyway, a bebre. So I'm more snacks. What do you say? I eat natural. More special food, more special in Miami. I mean, did you my house, massa? And so I'm more where biscuit a whole door. What do you say? A gugu and a gua. Me eat them pen and marry, massa. And to me, dear, we are busu. I mean, when you mean 5 years and yano. And I'm being quite choby. Now, the Ukraine for bread was regimenty. What he says he can name Jamaica for. We are bower my. So, Timothy or your mama and this for an FM Yamino and I'm all planning day Sika come Jamaica for you. Mini hobby. Sana do Kwasi at this care come Sudan for the car catch them. Bameno, maybe on the catch them and this for no feeling, men on feeling, or man be catch them. Because when him send me an Maya to Abamao. What I say, me crew ya obey we are the Pamabeka. You who know Nancy or Chi, I crown 4 times, but born a basso. What I say, by so coso, no, they don't hunt criminals. I come a bonabasso. Maybe you who know him a human and work sign 2 years contract, Yaman and come and have a bargain so. But we wiki to do. Oh, Boku for Tafu could to a chum in a kugu prison, I did 20 from some young fin abegina, Mumfet 220 above my juma to crow criminal creatua, Yampana church channel. Now, Ubedru a year criminals who catch you, me, a boa basso. So, nya mobile nam di Jimmy Copa and tough way Jimmy Fuyachawa. And a mom who said, Mema Maba. Jimmy Amos is so much good prison and could be an over to my community powers, northern region. But a moment tough one, Mama criminal or a creature or a criminal. Ghana Mraben a chess will be to me create to Kuku because free. It doesn't happen nowhere. So, fan on our knuckle to prison. Next time, near bit to while you say, Mensumanya Jimmy, I bet him in Mako to prison. So, Auntie Miss Samu. Say Jimmy judges no judgment no munyai Mahama we Jimmy do from crown catch them say odobro ni obi anware no onya yiri lumba anware no wi ase lumba nyom nyina from A to Z to amoni di oba kokram ni nyina na odi omachi that time nyina lumba release hit upon hit na the odobro ni tifi oda di bia kosu ase wa ba no be no aduane wo fi omomudi no odi omachi watch ase and one funny dear monium back crada dintia because enya ne yere no or side chick to say ni man or more Canada ni man or more Germany no mo maami said the omotie and say no do broni tie then or side chick baby back up the enya yere because of say on na kulumba or lumba bank account almost odo broni mo sinyom ne kulumba antoa ho mo nkobo medua nkome and a judge no say wan kwaje bribe wa antoa ho mo medua nkome. Cause one you bribe one Ghana for me can't so you bribe. Almost $10,000 na judge in the year. Actual amount no me say more than that cry. Odo broni this $10,000 na my lawyers in the caution envelope no come judge aboa no and this ni judge no. And sana I maybe be on me catch them odo broni me omu kulumba na me nyina ho so om be twa picture ni kirem te say the omu kulumba da lumba wi mo be kaya obi ankope video no hwe me be catch them say man na kunu because om catch them say om ko na lumba body ne da ho no na odo broni si wo na se wa me yesi wo se wa me okope de wo oni lumba ne defi ansa ko because om na kuna to da ansa na om be fa body na to kam di akọ
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.